Peeling paint on your vehicle? Whether it's sun-faded clear coat or flaking paint from years of exposure, there's a fix. And it doesn't require a body shop. In this video, I'll walk you through every single step of how to repair peeling paint using just spray cans. From diagnosing the damage to prepping, priming, painting, and clear coating, this guide will show you how to do it right. Stick around to the end and I'll share the exact products I use, including a pro tip on getting 2K clear coat results at home. Let's get started. Before you fix it, you need to understand it. There are a few main types of automotive paint failure clear coat peeling, caused by UV exposure, poor prep, or thin application. You'll see flaking or chalky edges. Base coat lift. Happens when layers aren't properly bonded, usually from painting over poorly prepped or contaminated surfaces. Cracking, crazing, appears as tiny fractures, often due to too many layers or incompatible products. Blistering, bubbling, caused by moisture trapped under the surface or painting over wax grease. Identifying the failure tells you how far back you need to sand and whether a simple respray will hold or fail again. Prep is what separates a pro-level finish from a temporary cover-up. Here's what you'll need: dish soap or degreaser, wax and grease remover, masking tape and paper, clean microfiber towels. Steps: wash the panel with dish soap. No waxes. Wipe down thoroughly with wax and grease remover. Mask off surrounding areas using tape and paper. Not just where you'll spray, but where sanding dust can go. Never skip cleaning. Even invisible oils can cause fish eyes or peeling. Now let's sand. If the clear coat is peeling but base coat is good, start with 320 grit to remove all loose edges. Feather back surrounding edges to smooth the transition. Follow with 600 grit wet sand to prep for primer. If base coat is failing too, sand back to a stable layer with 220 grit. Then go to 400 grit to smooth and level. Finish with 600 grit wet for primer bonding. Use a sanding block on flat areas and go by hand on curves. The goal is a smooth, dull finish, no shiny spots. Primer isn't just filler, it's the foundation of your repair. Now, let's talk about the types of primer you'll be using. Filler primer. It's high build and fills scratches and sanding marks, but it needs sanding before paint. Then we have etching primer. It's great for bare metal and contains acid to promote adhesion. Lastly, there's sealer primer. It's thin and smooth and seals off repaired areas before the base coat. Now let's get into the steps. First, shake the can for 2 minutes. Next, apply light, even coats 6 to 8 inches from the surface. You'll need to apply 3 to 4 coats, letting each dry for 5 to 10 minutes. After it's dry, sand with 600 grit wet until it's smooth and uniform. Finally, let the primer cure for at least 1 hour before moving on. Time for color. Use a quality color-matched spray can. You can order by paint code or use a verified brand like Dupli Color or Spraymax. Now here are the steps. First, shake the can for 2 to 3 minutes. Hold it 6 to 8 inches away, start spraying off panel and make overlapping passes. You'll need to use 3 to 5 light coats. Don't try to get full coverage in one pass. Allow 10 to 15 minutes between coats. If using metallic paint, finish with a light dust coat to even out the flake direction. Let the base coat dry for 30 to 60 minutes before clear. Don't sand the base unless you get major runs. Now we protect it. 1K clear coat, easier and cheaper but less durable. Decent for quick jobs. 2K clear coat, like Spraymax, professional level. Requires activating the can but gives a deep, UV-resistant finish that can last for years. Steps. 1. If using 2K, puncture activator and shake thoroughly. 2. Spray 2 to 3 light coats first, then 2 heavier wet coats. 3. Wait 10 minutes between coats. 4. Avoid spraying in direct sun or high humidity. Dry for 24 hours minimum. After 48 hours, you can wet sand with 1500 to 2000 grit and polish if needed. Here are my go-to products that work for at-home paint repair: degreaser, wax remover, Sprayway or Dupli Color Prep Wipe, Amazon or O'Reilly. Primer Rust-Oleum Automotive Filler. Primer or Spraymax 1K 2K primers. Base coat Dupli Color Perfect Match or AutomotiveTouchup.com. Clear coat Spraymax 2K Clear or USC Spray Clear. Sandpaper 3M wet dry packs in 220, 400, 600, 1500, 2000 grits. Amazon Home Depot. Tack cloth, microfiber towels and tape. Any hardware store or auto parts store. Always wear a respirator when spraying, especially with 2K Clear. With the right prep, patience, and quality products, you can make your paint look brand new and save hundreds versus the body shop. Like this guide? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to DIY with Dad for more step-by-step car care, home repair, and tool guides made simple. Drop your questions or before and after pics in the comments. I'd love to see your results.